Hello, young scientists. Today we're diving into the amazing world of cells. Let's get started. First, let's talk about cells. Cells are the basic building blocks of all living organisms. Every living organisms are made up of cells. They're so small that you need a microscope to see them. There are two main types of cells. Animal cell. Plant cell. Both types have some common parts and some unique ones. So let's talk about the common parts first. Cell membrane. Both plant and animal cells have a cell membrane. It acts like a protective barrier controlling what goes in and out. Number 2. Nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, containing DNA, which carries genetic information. Number 3. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance where all the cell's activities happen. Now let's talk about unique parts of plant cells. Number 1. Cell wall. Plant cells have a rigid cell wall outside the cell membrane. Providing extra support and protection. It acts like a boundary wall. Number 2. Chloroplast. Chloroplasts are green structures where photosynthesis happens. Converting sunlight into food for the plant. Number 3. Large central vacuole. The large central vacuole stores water and nutrients, helping to keep the plant cell turgid. Animal cells don't have a cell wall or chloroplasts, but they have small vacuoles and other specialized structures like lysosomes for breaking down waste. Thanks for watching.